The time now is 5:30, children. All right, let's begin lesson. Okay, let's go. Wen-Xing, how are you? Good today? Yes, you're looking very fresh. Good job. All right, so children, just now I just spoke a little bit about some virtual keyboard thing that is okay. Can I get most of you, right, to at least attempt your worksheet or not? Huh? So angry, like, oh no, my mucus came out. Sorry. Yeah. So can you please go and try to attempt your worksheet, because I see that many of you never submit your worksheet answer. All right. That makes me very sad. All right. So those who submitted, yes, most of you got it correct. Good job. I'm so proud of you. All right. But many of you also never submitted your worksheet. So next lesson, can you please submit your worksheet before coming for lesson? All right. Try to do. Can? All right. Evan, are you there? All right. Very good. Rudran, yes, I see you. Thank you so much. Jane, can you please turn on your video? All right. If there's something wrong with your video, right, can you please go to the chat? All right, please go to the chat and let me. Oh, that's you. Hello, Jane. Yeah, nice to see you. Evan, how come you don't submit your homework? So sad. All right, please submit. If you submit, then I know where is your mistake. Then I'll be able to try to explain to you. All right, Evan, can you please submit in future? Thank you so much. All right, so come, let's begin with today's lesson. Come. Okay, so last week, right, we were doing something called bar graph. Very simple, children, right? Very simple. All right. Yes, Shanice, I saw your message. It's okay. I will see you in a while's time. Thank you so much. Thank you for informing me. You're very nice. Thank you. All right. So we will continue with that last week, that one question as homework first. All right, let's go. Very simple. All right. Hey, Butcher, I don't understand. Huh? Which part you don't understand? You don't understand about which part? Okay, this part. Usually many students don't understand about this part. Okay. How much is the dog in the window? Woo, woo. Oh, sorry. Sing song, sorry. How much money must Candice give to Dora so that they will have the same amount of money? All right. Hey, sure, but this type of question, right, is a bar chart question. How come they ask me this type of question? Yes, children. All right. You have to be ready for it. All right, because the question is not going to be so simple. Okay, how much do Candice have? $72 lah. How much do Dora has? $16. Sure. Where got so simple? Yes, precisely. Where got so simple, right? The question. And Shiloh, I saw your answer. Answer 56 is incorrect. All right. Answer 56 is incorrect. So children, what do I do? If you don't know, my advice to you, do what? Draw model. Primary 3 and primary 4, everything is about drawing model. If you are very good at drawing model, right, I tell you, you can solve a lot of problem sums. So last time when I was young, right, in primary school also, all right, my math is no good. But when I get to know model drawing, whoa, I love it. I usually draw it very nicely. All right, that's why you see my model is very neat and tidy. Come, children, let me show you part A first. Ready? Okay, so how much must Candy and give to Dora? Look, so Candice, right, versus Dora. All right, in terms of model, who got more? Sure, obviously Candice got more. So Candice got more, do what? You draw what? Longer. Is that okay? All right, so Candice got more, you draw it longer, like this. Don't have to measure by the cm, it's okay. And Dora is shorter. You draw it shorter, like this. Is that okay? All right, so down here, we call it $16. All right, and this whole thing, we call it $72. Is that okay? Is that okay? Okay, so what are you going to do, children? Can you see something? Can you see that in terms of model, right? This part and this part is the same size. Can you try to focus with me, children? Can you see that this portion here and this portion here is the same size? Can you see that? The X and the X is the same size. So what must happen? What must happen? You must go and take this portion, right? Do you see the circle green color? You must go and take this portion from Candice. All right. You must take this portion from Candice and kacha. Sorry. You must kacha right in between. So that what? So that this portion can come over here to form this portion here. Can you see or not? So that they will be of the same size. Children, do you understand or not? Do you understand? All right. So the green color portion, right, you are supposed to ka-cha right in the center, so that this shaded portion can be transferred over down here, so that everybody will get the same amount. Look, where is the same amount? Look at this. Look at this. All right. This will be the same amount. Can you see? So Candice will be left with this portion over here. All right. And Dora will have this portion over here. They are of the same size. Very nicely done. Can you see, not children? So that's the idea. That's the idea. Okay. So what must I do? The first step, I need to find the difference between Candice and Dora. So I purposely take mine, $72. Candice is $72, minus over Dora, $16. All right. And that will give me the entire green color portion. All right. This will give me the entire green color portion, the whole thing. All right. Which I believe Shiloh give me as 56, correct? This whole thing is 56. But Shiloh, you forgot to what? You forgot to ka-cha right in the center. Right. You forgot to ka-cha right in the center. All right. So your $56, right, you must split among two of them. So $56 divide by 2. All right. That will give you a what? $28. All right. So this portion, the shaded one, right, is actually $28. All right. This portion that is shaded, all right, is $28. So $28 must be given from Candice to Dora. Can you understand my drawing? All right. Can you understand? All right. So if you follow closely my drawing, right, it's actually very clear cut. All right. It's not that difficult. All right. Ken? All right. Shiloh, can I have your video on? Avon also, and Jane. Yeah. There's no purpose. There's no reason to off your video, so don't off it. All right. Unless you go to the chat and tell me the reason. All right. If not, don't off your video. All right. Because it gets very irritating. I keep saying the same thing. All right. I sound like a broken machine. All right. Gisli also, can you please on your video? All right. So, I want to check. Ken, let's go and check. Let's see. So Candice, right, actually got $72. But if she gave $28 to who? $28 to Dora, what happened? She's left with $44. Can you see? Okay. And Dora only got $16. And Dora received $28 from Candice. How much she gets? Oh my goodness. It's correct. Can you see not? Eventually, they got $44. Do you understand? Yes, children, you can go. All right, please come back quickly after that. So children, can you understand? Can you understand the beauty of model drawing? Draw one long, one short first. Then what happened? The difference, you have to cut into half in order to share among 2%. Right, that's the way to do it. That's the way. All right. Okay, part B. Part B. All right, hey, this was your homework, last week. All right, nobody do. I'm so sad. I'm so heartbroken, my goodness. All right, my homework not a lot, right? Only one question down here, right? So how much money must Lin give to Dora? Oh, now it's between Lin and Dora. Read some more. What did the question say? So that Dora will have more money than her. Oh my goodness. Okay, so what must you do? Can you do something? You draw the model of what? You draw the model of Dora versus Lin. All right, don't care about Candice already. Let's focus on Dora and Lin. And what happens here? What happens here? All right, we know that, right? In the end, Dora must be more than Lin. Correct or not? Question did say. All right, question says that what? Dora will have $4 more than Lin, right? So this is what is happening. Okay, this is what is happening. Dora must have $4 more than Lin. Isn't this like the after model? Yes. I haven't learned before and after model. Oh no. All right. Can you all hear me, children? Yes, right. Vanishnavi, are you sure you cannot hear me? Are you okay? Vanishnavi, can you hear me? Vanishnavi, can you hear me? Wait, I think Vanishnavi's headphone got problem. Let me message her first. Can you hear me? Yeah, Vanishnavi, I'm talking to you. Can you hear me now? No, okay. She cannot hear me. Oh no. Can you log in and log out and log in again? Sorry, the rest. Yeah. Right, so sorry, the rest. Okay, come. So down here, right, is what? Dora must have $4 more. So in the end, this portion, Dora must have $4 more than Lynn. That is in the end of the day. All right, that's what the question say. And children, what happened? Do you know that this portion here must be the same size as this portion here again? Yeah, okay. But this is at the end of the day, at the end of the day. Okay, but sure, how do I do? Supposed to be an easy table question, right? How come so difficult? Oh, so children, you have to get used to it. No choice one. Oh, this type of before and after is slowly coming out. This is not my first time introducing to you. All right, but I want to share something with you. Okay, so what is happening down here? Okay, for example, oh, Gisli is back, good. Okay, so for example, Gisli and Ben. Gisli and Ben. Okay, so for example, Gisli got what? Gisli got, let's say she got $12. Is that okay? And Ben only got $8. What's our total? Our total is $20. Is that okay? Okay, can you follow? Can you follow? Right, Gisli got $12 and I got $8. So our total is $20. All right. Okay, come. Okay, so Gisli, right, see that, this Ben, so poor. Let me give him $4. Wow, thank you so much. So when Gisli gives me $4, what do I do? Wow, I happily accept her $4. Correct or not? So now Gisli got how much? Gisli got $8. And now I got $12. Thank you, Gisli. Can you see something, children? Our total is still $20. Then I feel so bad. How can I be taking money from my student? So terrible. Terrible teacher. Very bad teacher. Right. So I shouldn't be taking money from my students, right? I say, okay, hey, Gisli, I'm sorry. I return you, but I give you everything lah. I give you $12. Wow, Gisli smiling. Can you see her face? Right. Her smile is from ear to ear. She's so happy. Why? Because she received $12 for nothing. Oh my goodness. All right, she's so happy. So she received $12 for nothing. All right. And now Gisli got how much? 8 plus 12, Gisli got $20, right? $20. And poor Ben, what happened? $0. And what's our total? It is still 20. So children, what's the moral of the story? All right, the moral of the story is don't take money from Gisli. No, I'm just kidding. All right, it's not don't take money from Gisli. It's what? We call this internal transfer. All right, we call this internal transfer. Internal transfer means you are giving money or you're receiving, right? 2% or 3%, right? Between Gisli and Ben. All right, what happened? Really, please remember, internal transfer, total remain the same. That is the moral of the story. It's not about Gisli not giving money or giving money. It's about total remain the same. All right, so children, all these little things, right, are actually quite important. All right, don't worry, I will constantly say it out so that you will remember. All right, so you will remember, and it will be very helpful for you in primary 4. Wow, you very kiasu, you know. I only primary 3 talk about primary 4. Yes, children. All right, primary 3, right? Primary 3, yes. Most of the time you can just plus and minus. All right, but slowly, you have to understand that. All right, you have to learn to understand the question and use certain concept to get to the answer. Hello, Pom Pom. Thank you for joining us early. All right, I know that you just rushed back from school. I know. All right, thank you so much for joining us, Pom Pom. All right. So what is happening down here? Internal transfer, total remain the same, right? Okay, so down here, what do you see? All right, between Lynn, 48, and Candy, 72. So they transfer between the two of them. Internal transfer. All right, that means between the two of them, there's this transfer of money. What is happening? Total remain the same. All right, total remain the same. So what's the total now? All right, Lynn got $48. All right, Candice got $72. It's not Candice. It's Lynn and Dora. Silly me. All right. So Lynn and Dora, $16.